Hello everybody, here is your EVS subject teacher Dharmendra sir. Students, welcome to my YouTube channel Achievers Academy. So I hope all of you fit and fine. Students, today I will discuss chapter number 10, Walls Tell Stories, part 2. Previous part I already discussed about the Golconda Fort. In this chapter mainly the Golconda Fort I discussed in previous video also. Inside the fort, the Sultan Palace, fountains, cannon and big guns. Here today remaining part of this fort, just I would like to talk about the gates and bastions. Students, in this wall many gates and many bastions were there. So these gates and bastions were the important role for the security and another aspects also. So firstly I would like to talk about the gates. There were 9 gates, students. First, who was the most important gate of this Golconda Fort? Fateh Darwaza, also known by Victory Gate. This is also known by the Victory Gate. विजय दरवाजा के नाम से भी इसे जाना जाता है, फतेह दरवाजा. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स इन दिस फतेह दरवाजा. द इकोसिस्टम, the sound system of this Fateh Darwaza is so high level. In this particular gate, if any person talk and convey the message to the Sultan Palace, then it easily spread the wires so high level. Then the palace of the Sultan also heard any conversation of particularly this place. So this was the amazing and much more wonderfully created these things, Fateh Darwaza. And second one, Bodli Darwaza. Third is Bamini Darwaza. Okay, and fourth is Banjara Darwaza. Here is Makai Moti okay, and seventh is Jamali, and eighth one is Pattancheru. Okay, Pattancheru Darwaza. And ninth is the last Ninth is a नया किला दरवाजा. Okay, students, these 9 gates were there. It was the most important according to the security level, and another things was there. In the outer wall of this fort, 87 bastions was there. The how many bastions on the wall of fort? There were 87 bastions. 87 bastions were the outer wall of the fort. These bastions, about the bastions already I discussed in the previous video. Just I memorize here. Bastions, in these bastions, round shape. Okay, on the wall of bastions, many holes created. Every bastions many holes created. In this bastions hole, the inside soldiers can easily look to the other outside, whatever the enemy is standing position and want to attack this fort, so they just easily view, look, and also you can just soldier can peep to the other enemy soldiers and take the position for attack in these holes. So this was the very important regarding the security. And another bastions hole is also much more important for the take the position to the enemy soldiers. 87 bastions in this outer wall were there. And another things I would like to discuss here, what kind of arrangement of the water. What kind of in the fort? There were many wells, stepwells, bauli, house and tank. There were many well, stepwells, bauli, house and tank are there. A tank in the inside the Okay, students, what kind of arrangement of water in the fort? There were many well, step wells and bowlies, house, tank inside the fort. Another question is raising here. What kind of management of water, air and light? Management of air and light inside the fort. Students, what kind of management of air and light inside the fort? Obviously, there were big doors and big windows, ventilators, main source of natural air and light. Is it clear? If this kind of questions raising in this chapter and coming in your mind or coming to the question paper, then you can write down what kind of management of air and light inside the fort. Big doors and big windows, ventilators were their main source of natural air and light. Is it clear? Students, I would like to talk about the museum. As you know, students, in this chapter the children has gone to Golconda Fort. Then among us he is talking, and what about the aspects I already discussed about the outer wall inside the fort, cannon and big guns, the Sultan Palace, fountain, carvings. Whatever the conversation were there, just I discuss, and in your chapters also you can read. So apart from this, when he seen the Golconda Fort, beautiful and grand fort, after then students reached to the museum and students seen some just old things and objects. I would like to just explain about the museum. Students, firstly you know about this, what is the museum. Then I would like to say here, explain museum is an institution there where store there were stored artistic, cultural, historical, and scientific important objects. Is it clear? Museum is an institution. There were stored artistic, cultural, historical, and scientific important objects. Is it clear? The famous museum in India. So here you must be learning these things. National Museum in Delhi, and second one, Indian Kolkata, Indian Museum in Kolkata, and third one, Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum in Mumbai. Okay, students, fourth one is the Salar Jung Museum in Hyderabad, National Museum in Delhi, Indian Museum in Kolkata, Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum in Mumbai, and fourth one is Salar Jung Museum in Hyderabad. So you just memorize this famous museum. Okay, students, and come to the next. Famous museum in Hyderabad. Students, famous museum in Hyderabad, we must be know about this, because in this city we seen and we learn about the Golconda Fort, and also we must be know about the famous museum in Hyderabad. Firstly, I would say here Salar Jung Museum in Hyderabad. This is the famous museum in Hyderabad, and if you want to know second one, BM Birla Planetarium. This is also in Hyderabad. Students, third one is Surendra Puri Museum in Hyderabad. And if you want to know about fourth, then this is the Sudha Motor Museum in Hyderabad. So in this chapter, students, I just want to memorize here. In part 2, I discuss here gates and bastions. You know about this gates. How many gates on the wall of the fort? 9 gates. Is it clear? I already write there. And how many bastions? 87. Okay? 9 gates, 87 bastions. The outer wall of the Golconda fort. Is it clear? And arrangement of water. What kinds of arrangement water was there? There were many ways, stepways, house, tank. All these kinds of arrangement are in the fort. And third one, management of air and light. What kinds of management of air and light? There were big doors and big windows, ventilators. All these sources were there to give the natural air and light. Museum. You know about this museum? An institution where there is stored a cultural, artistic, scientific, obviously you can say artistic, cultural, scientific and historical important objects stored there, then you can say this is the museum. And other important things, whatever the students seen, after seeing the Golconda fort, when students reached the museum in Hyderabad, then he seen the pots, many kinds of pots, many kinds of jewelry and paintings. All these things the students seen in that particular museum. And also I discuss here famous इंडियन म्यूजियम, भारतीय म्यूजियम, जो कि फेमस, भारत के कौन कौन से म्यूजियम फेमस हैं? मोस्ट फेमस म्यूजियम वेयर देयर नेशनल म्यूजियम इन दिल्ली, इंडियन म्यूजियम इन कोलकाता, छत्रपति शिवाजी म्यूजियम इन मुंबई एंड सालार जंग म्यूजियम इन हैदराबाद. Here famous museum in Hyderabad, obviously Salar Jung Museum in Hyderabad, B.M. Birla Planetarium, Surendra Puri Museum and Sudha Motor Museum. These are the parts I discuss here in this video, and previously whatever the inside the fort, the Sultan Palace, I also explained the Sultan Palace, many carvings, fountain. About the carvings and about the water fountain I also discuss, and cannon and big guns. All these aspects and all these topics I can explain. So all of you must be watch my previous video of this chapter and also this second part. So I hope you must be understood. If you have any questions, then you can call with phonic conversation, and you can come my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp. Without any hesitation, you can ask with me any doubts. Okay? So thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks.